What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm just going to kind of go over the car a little bit. I'm going to air the car down for the first time, and at least first time on camera. I'm still using manual mode because I haven't got the other coilover just yet, or the other bag for the coilover just yet. So that is still on the coilover spring. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and just take a look real quick. Alright, so I'm not going to do too much, mostly due to it not being fully calibrated and everything. But, definitely feeling the rear a lot more than the front. Definitely got to do some adjustments for those. But I started going back up in the front. And this is going down as well, even though it's not, it's still on the coilover. Pops up pretty quick. It goes up very quick, because that shot up to 70. I definitely don't want to go that high. So yeah, I'm still playing around with it. The kit itself is pretty cool. I think I might have to do some adjustments in the front, but the rear, I'm feeling the rear. What you guys think? I'm still not at a point where I'm going to be airing out at the gas station just yet, but once I get the last one in and start getting everything set up and calibrated, then I will. Alright, so I gotta get, I have to get these remotes under control. So this one is for the trunk, and this one is for the headliner. And of course, this is for the airlift. I do have a little mount that was sent to me to review. I'm not huge on throwing my phone up to mount it anywhere, but I knew I was back in the car and I knew this would be good to go for this remote, so I'll probably mount it up somewhere over there. If I can find a flat enough surface, I'll put it up over there just to keep this up, unless I see something else that's a cool design. But yeah, this is just a little quick update. I am still in touch with them, so I'm still in touch with the company. I should be getting a replacement here pretty soon, so definitely need to get that done. I might have to add some camber in the front, as you saw, so that way I can go lower in the front. That's most likely what I'm gonna do, and then I'll get my alignment and be good to go. I'm trying not to drive the car too much, just because I need the alignment bad. But yeah, also got new shirts coming, so definitely keep an eye on the merch website. The link will be in the description below, as always. Also, I'm going to start something, which is the comment of the day, and today's comment is going to be, and I got the idea from the homie from Carson's Aquatics, so I figure I'll start doing that. I'll randomly choose a comment and throw it up in a video from my previous video. So yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for this one. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.